Hello everyone, my name is Vainius and I'm a physiotherapist, and I would like to talk with you a little bit and show you a little bit exercises before having a knee replacement operation. I know that's usually quite painful to do some exercises or some activities, but you have to do it. The more you exercise, the more you move before operation, the better results and outcomes we will have in rehab after the operation. That's why I brought some equipment with me to show you a few easy exercises which is easily done at home. For first exercise, we always start with some exercises who can relax the muscles who have big tension. Because in irregular walking, you always put too much pressure to muscles you do not need to put. So you should find some, we call it fascia massager. So you could use something similar. It could be with a straight surface, and by applying pressure to the quads, we should massage it for 2 or 3 minutes. The same we should go here on the hamstrings and definitely on the calves. By applying gentle pressure and doing it without the pain, you should massage the leg, which will be going to be operated, and definitely the healthy leg, because it's very important too. For the next exercise, we could use a ball. It could be any kind of ball, just easy to squeeze. So we always need to activate some muscles. So we can use ball squeezing exercises. You can put between the knees. You could put between your calf and hamstrings and squeeze it here. Just do not do nothing through the pain. And all exercises should be done by you push it here, hold it for 10 seconds, hold it for 10 times. The same like here, you push it here, hold it 10 seconds, 10 reps. What can you use more from the exercises? The same, you could use some band. You could use it on the legs and do some spreads. Yes, again, no pain should be applied in the knee. Everything should be unpainful. The same, it's very important to keep your ankle active. So you could do some exercises, for example, like pushing the band, or while standing, just doing some raises. Of course, if you have at home stationary bike, you can use the stationary bike to keep the range of motion, to reduce pain and everything. Just do it without any load. You should cycle forward and the same backward. Don't stop walking. Thank you.